So on this video, I am going to show how I built this Excel program in order to solve or get the values for the liquid limit, the plastic limit, and the shrinkage limit. So as you can see here, the values I used are galing siya sa SIEVE para ma-make sure na tama yung formulas na nalagay ko. So ayan. Again, these are already given. The number of blows, the weight of wet soil plus container, weight of dry soil plus container, and the weight of container. So what I did here is I made another table for the solution. So this is test number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So for the weight of water, the formula here is the weight of wet soil plus container minus the weight of container. So, kahit pa ma-change yung values dito sa given, automatic na lalabas yung tamang answer dito. So, for the weight of dry soil, the formula is weight of container minus weight of dry soil plus container. So, ayun, dito na siya. And lastly, sa moisture content, that is weight of water over weight of dry soil times 100. So, ito yun. Now, for the graphing of the curve dito sa liquid limit test, ang kailangan given dito is values for moisture content and the number of blows. So, andito na yun siya. This one. The number of blows and yung na-solve natin na moisture content. So, bale yun yung ilalagay natin sa X and Y axis. Now, for the Y axis, we are going to put, doon natin ilalagay yung values ng moisture content, and for the X axis is the number of blows. Now, in making this graph, kailangan yung nasa x-axis is naka-logarithmic form. And what I used is this graph, the xy scatter. So, as you can see sa graph na to, makikita natin tong equation of the line, which is negative 0.0122x plus 45.675. So, magagamit natin yan mamaya sa pag-solve ng liquid limit. Ito. At 14 blows, ang moisture content niya is 45.527. And at 20 blows, 45.405, and so on. And sa paggawa ko ng graph, itong orange lines, if maklaro ba siya, so itong orange lines na horizontal and vertical, yan yung mga major grade lines. While the navy blue ones, di masyadong maklaro, pero itong mga navy blue lines na vertical and horizontal, that's the minor grade lines. So, moving on dito sa pagkuha ng liquid limit, since ang definition ng liquid limit is dito sa naka-state dito sa SIEVE, it is defined as the moisture content at which a groove closure of 12.7 mm occurs at 25 blows. So, dito tayo magbabase mamaya sa pagkuha ng moisture, ng liquid limit. So, since walang exact na 25 blows dito, naghanap tayo ng dalawang numbers na in between them is 25. So, dito, diba, merong 38, 29, 20, 14. So, diba, ang 25 nasa gitna ng 29 and 20. So, yun yung gagamitin natin dito. So, we let the number of blows as x and water content y. So, di ba dito meron tayong equation. So, ito yung equation for getting the water content. Again, negative 0.1 negative 0.0122x plus 45.675. So, yun yung nilagay natin dito sa formula niya. And, kapag ma-change na tong value sa moisture content or sa number of blows, automatic then ma-change ang value dito sa water content. Since nakuha na natin tong value sa water content and number of blows, ito lang yung kailangan natin in order to get the liquid limit. So, again, ginamit ko dito yung trend function here. The formula is trend, open parentheses, itong water content na first water content, then colon, second water content, and comma, ditong first number of blow and the second number of blow, then comma, 25 since yung hinahanap natin is liquid limit at 25 blows. So, ito siya, naka-formula na siya. So, kahit pa ma-change itong value dito, lalabas agad ang tamang answer dito sa liquid limit. So, that is how I made this Excel for the liquid limit. So, let's move on sa plastic limit. So, here, itong values na to, these are data from the SIEVE sa example doon. Para na din ma-make sure na tama yung formulas na ginamit ko. So, basically, ang formula lang ng plastic limit is moisture content at test number 2 plus the moisture content at test number 1 divided by 2. So, that is the average plasticity limit. So, yung answer dito, 36.51. Now, for the plasticity index, that is just the liquid limit minus the plasticity limit. So, as you can see here, dito na siya sa formula. Now, moving on dito sa shrinkage limit. Hindi na ako sa SIEVE nag-base. Kumuha na lang ako ng sample table sa internet. So, ito yung mga needed, mga kailangan na given in order to get the shrinkage limit. Again, yung formula ng shrinkage limit is the mass of the wet soil minus the mass of dry soil minus the volume of wet soil minus volume of dry soil times the density of water over the mass of dry soil. So, basically, dapat meron siyang apat na given. No? The mass of wet soil, mass of dry soil, volume of wet soil, and volume of dry soil. So, in order to get that, kailangan na natin siyang isolve. So, itong blank tables na to, that is basically the spaces needed for the data or values na makukuha natin during experiment. So, since wala naman tayong kinandak na experiment, diniretso ko na yung formulas dito sa may 0.00, meaning may formula na siya pero walang value, so 0 pa siya. But kung lagyan na ng values dito, automatic na lalabas yung answer dito. For example, here 12, ayun. So, lumabas agad yung answer niya dito. So, para malaman kung saan dapat ilagay yung data, dinang space ko na lang siya. So, dito. Ito yung mga kailangan na given for shrinkage limit. The V1, volume of shrinkage dish. And ito, M1, the M2, and the V2. So, basically, itong V2, nakadepende din siya sa value nitong mass of mercury displaced by dry path. So, yun na nga. May formula din siya nakalagay. Oops, nalimutan ko again. So, lagyan natin ng formula. Which is itong 11. So, dito, divide by 13.6. Yun. So, lalabas na din agad dito if ever meron ng values dito. So, dito, wala pa talaga siyang lumabas kasi diba wala naman tayong data dito. And I really don't have any ideas kung anong range ng mga numbers ng data for this table. Kaya, blinang space ko lang just to make sure. So, dito, nilagay ko lang yung formula nung shrinkage limit, which is again mass of wet soil minus mass of dry soil minus the volume of wet soil minus volume of dry soil times the density of water over the mass of dry soil. So, kapag nilagay na yung data dito sa mga blank space, automatic na lalabas naman yung tamang answers, tamang values dito sa may mga zero na cells. Then after that, lalabas na din ang answer dito. So, yun na nga. So, that's all. Thank you.